Alright folks, so we've got a pretty short one here today, but we've got 4 of the packs of the 2-pack blisters for Darkness Ablaze and Sword and Shield. So we've got 4 packs of Darkness Ablaze, 4 packs of Sword and Shield, we've got 1 Ultra Prism, and 2 Unbroken Bonds. So we will jump right into it and start with some Sword and Shield base set. This pack historically has not treated me the best. Everyone I know has gotten incredibly lucky with their pulls, but it seems to just not like me very much. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning. Raboot. Rare Candy. Snom. Grookey. Shelder. Wheel, a Galarian Ponyta, a reverse Clobopus into a non-hollow Dreadnought. Pack number 2. Code card there. Lightning, Bishop, Salazzle, Dugtrio, Pikachu, Galarian Meowth, Sizzlipede, Lou, Grookey, a reverse Rhydon, and a hollow Boltund. Not too shabby so far. Code card there. Fighting Energy, Bisharp, Evolution Incense, Vitality Band, Grookey, Font, Baltoy, Chinchou, a Sizzlipede, a reverse Rookidee, and a Wobbuffet V. Alright, not a bad start to this video. Okay, we've got one more pack of base Sword and Shield. Let's see what we can do with it. Code card. 2, 3, 4, and we will go with water. Ordinary Rod, Raboot, Krabby, Galarian Zigzagoon, Silpher, Silicobra, Yamper, a reverse Big Charm, and a non-hollow Roserade. Alright, jumping into some good old-fashioned Darkness Ablaze. Gotta have something to hold us over until Champion's Path comes out. Staravia, Suelis, Pupitar, Bounsweet, Snubble, Meltan, Bunnelby, Paris, a Galarian Mr. Mime, and a Galarian Orangutan, non-holographic. Pack number 2. Go with Fire, Psychic, Shiinotic, Ursaring, Rose Tower, Toxel, Skitty, Rowlet, Wishiwashi, Fent, a reverse Carnivine, and a Rhyperior V. Alright. First Darkness Ablaze. Decent pull. Set that aside. We are halfway through Darkness Ablaze. We've got 2 left. Card. Let's go with Lightning. Nope. Suelis, Pupitar, Meltan, Bunnelby, Paris, Larvitar, Galette, a reverse Ursaring, and a non-holo Arctivish. Alright. We got one left. And then on to the Ultra Prism pack. Code card. Fire for good luck. Whoop. Fletch Finder, Hiding Energy, Parasect, Purloin, Papatus, Sentret, Larvesta, Morlul, a reverse Grimer, and a Caesar V full art. Alright. Way to finish strong, Darkness Ablaze. Let's sleeve that bad boy up. And onto the one Ultra Prism pack we have. I got the reprints from Walmart and I've had horrible pulls on them, so I stopped buying them. But let's see if this one pack will do something for us. Manaphy, Lily, Magneton, Carnivine, Sneasel, Eevee, Magmar, Morlul into a reverse Magneton. God, it's a beautiful card. And a Rampardos holographic. Now we've got 2 packs left. Good old Unbroken Bonds. I said I'd stop buying these. I lied. Story of my Pokemon life. Always seems to circle back. Poliwhirl, Gloom, Drio, Murkrow, Oddish, Mischievous, Salandit, Glameow, a reverse Togepi, and a Muck and Alolan Muck GX full art. That is a gorgeous card. I think that's actually the first decent pull I've had from Unbroken Bonds. So I will take that. Maybe there is hope. Probably not, but who knows. And the last pack of the video, another Unbroken Bonds. See what we can do with it. Code card. Grass, Fire Crystal, Weeping Bell, Surprise Box, Clefairy, Seal, Gligar, Mischievous, Glameow, a reverse Sandile, and a holographic Mew. Now that is a great looking card with a great artwork, and I will take that as a finish to this video. I'm going to sleeve that up and put that aside because that is gorgeous. Alright everyone, it was a pretty short one for you. Hope you guys stay safe, stay happy, and stay searching. Till next time.